Make the most of student living at the Standard with this perfect new home in Austin. These 1 to 6 bedroom apartments and studios offer you a comfy bed, spacious wardrobe, ideal workspace, and an in-unit washer and dryer for convenience. Start your day right at the gym or yoga studio, then take your books out to the community workspaces with a caffeine fix from the coffee bar, and wrap up with a movie on the poolside Jumbotron TV and barbecue from the grilling area. Come weekend, enjoy a spa-like soak in the hot tubs or on-site sauna, unwind in the clubhouse, or challenge your friends in the arcade room. Pets are also welcome here. Also get access to on-site convenience store, maintenance plus management, community events, and roommate matching. With the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College just minutes away, your timely arrival to class will be inevitable. The buses at 22nd and Tram at Downtown Station make exploring the city seamless. So, book your room at the Standard in Austin via amberstudent.com now.